3D computer animation combines 3D models of objects and programmed or hand keyframe movement. These models are constructed out of geometrical vertices, faces, and edges in a 3D coordinate system. Objects are sculpted much like real clay or plaster, working from general forms to specific details with various sculpting tools. Unless a 3D model is intended to be a solid color, it must be painted with textures for realism. A bone or joint animation system is set up to deform the CGI model. In a process known as rigging, the model is given various controllers and handles for controlling movement. Animation data can be created using motion capture or keyframing by a human animator or a combination of two. 3D models rigged for animation may contain thousands of control points. For example, Woody from Toy Story uses 700 specialized animation controllers. Rhythm and Hue Studio labored for 2 years to create Aslan in the movie The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, which had about 1851 controllers, 742 in the face alone. For the 2005 remake of King Kong, actor Andy Serkis was used to help designers pinpoint the gorilla's prime location in the shots and used his expressions to model human characteristics onto the creature. He had earlier provided the voice and performance for Golem in the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Computer animation can be created with a computer and animation software. Some impressive animation can be achieved even with basic programs. However, the rendering can take a lot of time on an original home computer. Because of this, video game animators tend to use low resolution and low polygon count renders so that the graphics can be rendered in real time on a home computer. Professional animators of movies, television, and video sequences on computer games make photorealistic animation with high detail. This level of quality for movie animation would take hundreds of years to create on a home computer. Instead, many powerful workstation computers are used. Graphics workstation computers uses 2 to 4 processors and they are a lot more powerful than an actual home computer and are specialized for rendering. A large number of workstations known as a render farm are networked together to effectively act as a giant computer. The result is a computer animated movie that can be completed in about 1 to 5 years. Professionals also use digital movie cameras, motion or performance capture, blue or green screens, film editing software, props, and other tools used for movie animation. Realism in computer animation can mean making each frame look photorealistic in the scene, that the scene is rendered to resemble a photograph or make the character's animation believable and lifelike. Computer animation can also be realistic with or without the photorealistic rendering. One of the greatest challenges in computer animation has been creating human characters that look and move with highest degree of realism. Many animated films instead feature characters that are anthropomorphic animals in movies like Finding Nemo, Ice Age, Bolt, Madagascar,
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Rio, Kung Fu Panda,
How's that?
and Zootopia. Machines in movies like Cars, Wall-E, robots. Insects in movies like Ants, A Bug's Life, The Ant Bully, Bee Movie. Fantasy creatures and characters in movies like The Monster Inc., Shrek, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Brave, and Epic.
Hello.
Aw, man.
Or humans with non-realistic cartoon-like proportions in movies like Despicable Me,
Ah!
Hey, guys, come on, stay focused here.
Okay.
Up, Megamind, Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius, Hotel Transylvania, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Computer animation can also be tailored to mimic or substitute for other kinds of animation, traditional stop motion animation as shown in Flushed Away or the Lego Movie.
When you're part of a team.